In this video, we will be covering how trainees navigate the RANZCR ePortfolio and perform basic tasks. The ePortfolio is how trainees and assessors of the college record training progress for trainees for the duration of training. All RANZCR members and IMGs must log into the ePortfolio via the MyRANZCR portal. This portal can be found at myranzcr.com. From this page, click the Login button in the center of the page. Next, enter your college-associated email and password and click Sign In. The next page is the two-factor authentication, which must be completed in order to log in. Once successfully logged in, you'll be shown the MyRANZCR member homepage. In the center of the page is a list of areas that can be utilized by college members. To log into the ePortfolio, click the first item on the list, RANZCR CPD Home/Training ePortfolio. This will bring you to the dashboard in the ePortfolio. The main dashboard is the trainee dashboard, which will serve as your homepage. From this page, you are able to view your profile, location information, phase information, create new activities or assessments, the to-do list, a summary of training program requirements, announcements, links to the training program handbook and learning outcomes, resources and checklists, and contact us information. To navigate to other areas of the ePortfolio, use the ribbon at the top of the page. This includes your dashboard, timeline, files, FAQs, overview of training requirements, and reports. The dashboard button will take you back to this page if on another page. The timeline will show all of the activities and assessments that are in progress or have been completed, and to find specific assessments, use the search bar. Files will show a list of uploaded files you have previously attached to assessments or activities. FAQs will show a list of guides that address many frequently asked questions. You can use the search bar to search for keywords in the guides, and to open the guide, click Show Answer. Overview of training requirements will show your current phase goals, and active goals are shown in orange. Reports allow you to review completed activities such as MSF reports, or a record of your examination attempts, etc. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please email us at eportfolio@ranzcr.edu.au.